Now it is time to discuss concept of demand side management followed by advantages of demand side management. So this topics comes under the title of the unit demand side management in the subject energy auditing and demand side management for BTech students. Concept of demand side management: cost reduction, that is, many demand side management and energy efficiency efforts have been introduced in the context of integrated resource planning and aimed at reducing total cost of meeting energy demand. Environmental and social improvement: energy efficiency and demand side management may be pursued to achieve environmental and or social goals by reducing energy use, leading to reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Reliability and network issues: ameliorating and or averting problems in the electricity network through reducing demand in ways which maintain system reliability in the immediate term and over the longer term defer the need for network augmentation. Improved markets: short-term responses to electricity market conditions, demand response, particularly by reducing a load during periods of high market prices caused by reduced generation or network capacity. Coming on to the advantages of demand side management, nearly there are 10 number of advantages. So now we shall see one by one in detail. Better usage of existing generating and distribution infrastructure, that is, as and when the implementation of demand side management techniques were involved in the either generation or transmission or distribution, then automatically the generating capacities are reduced and also the better infrastructure or better utilization of distribution systems is being achieved. That is indirectly a better usage of existing generating stations and distribution infrastructure. Less efficient or environmentally unfriendly generating capacity can be decommissioned. That is, suppose if there is a load of 5 megawatts and there is only a 4.5 megawatt of generation and you require 0.5 megawatt of loss also, so that you have to generate totally 5.5 megawatts, but only 4.5 megawatt of generation is currently available. So at that moment we are going for 1 megawatt of generation through either diesel power plant or like any other, which are consuming high amount or high cost for generating the electricity. But by using this demand side management techniques, those generating station capacities are reduced, so that it indirectly says that decommissioning of this type of power stations which consumes high cost. Then third advantage: load can be matched to variable renewable energy availability. Fourth one, as I have said in the first advantage, lowering generation and transmission costs. And fifth one, lower transmission losses and distribution losses. The remaining advantages: reduction in spinning reserve costs, less intrusive load shedding, more consumer growth capacity, better maintenance opportunities, more availabilities, that is indirectly less blackouts. Thank you for your patience hearing and spending valuable time.